Welcome back to Technokia's video. In this video, I am going to show you how you can alternative to verify your Instagram account for free. The first thing we are going to do is go to ProLife in Instagram account. Okay, and go to configuration. In configuration, we can see the panel for professionals, creators, tools, and creators. Here we can see more information for creators and go to request verification. In verification, you can see confirm your authenticity, your username, your completely name, type of document, password, DNA, etc., reconnaissance, and public other names and links for links of Facebook, links of Instagram, and links of TikTok, for example. It is very easy and to fill out your data type or ID card. And that's all, guys. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for more content with us.